This is week 7. So this was day 12, and then Friday will be in this video. And that would be day 13. Playing a little catch up here with the networking classes. So I'm going to be pretty brief. We're working on the beta test from Chapter 1, lab materials, quizzes. Whoops, here we go. Network access, 2 layers. We talk about Ethernet frames, Wireshark. Beta test Chapter 2. About that. So we looked at the OSI model and compared it to TCP/IP model. Talked a lot about the layers. I'm not going to review that. Access, right? The media connected to the physical. We talk about we'll do some labs later on. Wi-Fi, Wireshark to watch the traffic. Logical link control. Layer up, MAC, layer down, 802.2, 802.3, transporting the data. So this is a repeat. I think I had this slide in another group. TCP/IP model, application layer, transport layers, the same terminology, internet layer for the network, then network access. These 2 layers down here. And you think about it, these 2 are really how you access the network. This gives you the best path, this figures out how it's going to transport, and all of this ties into the application. Talked about the media, wireless, wired, fiber, a wave in the air. These are 2 options. There's actually more than that. Sending electricity through the wires, light through the fibers. Ethernet, 802.3, Wi-Fi, 802.11. Protocols. They're protocols on how we connect into the network. Friday. So this is still week 7. This would be day 13. These are some things that went on during the week. Chapter 3 beta, Ethernet, switch labs. We'll see that here at the end. Talk about the physical addresses. That has occurred. Again, we talk about connecting in with a browser, coming down through the layers, Ethernet, segments, packets, frames, put it on the wire, so to speak. And then we looked at some examples here. Okay. We talked about accessing the equipment. We off of the DMZ, we have a firewall, and off of the DMZ we have this workstation 2 which connects to this router. We also have a connection from that router to our local switch, so we can actually access that 2 different ways. This way we have not been using we've been staying with going to the workstation and then accessing it. And I might eliminate this altogether. It's a little bit of a security issue. And this is one of those first labs that we did. Should be able to put a workstation on a switch and have them be able to communicate. And that's it.